Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is find customer referee from LeetCode's SQL 50. So it's problem 584, and the specification says find the names of customers that are not referred by the customer with ID equals 2, and we can return the resulting table in any order. So if we look at example 1 here, we've got these IDs as the primary key. We've got a list of names and a list of referee IDs, and so we want to return all the names where the referee ID is not 2. So if I was to write out this query here, we want to say, so we want to select, what do we want to select? We want to select the referee ID, or not the referee ID, it's the name that gets displayed, so we want to display the name from, and the table is customer, so select name from customer, and the condition here is ID is not equal to 2, so find the names of customers that are not referred by the customer, that are not referred by the customer with ID equals 2. So in this case, Alex and Mark shouldn't be in this list, and you can see in the output they are not listed. So we're going to say where ID is not equal to, and 2. Now is this a string or nope, it's an integer, so it's not equal to 2. Okay, and let's run this. Oh, sorry, not ID, it's referee ID. Referee underscore ID. Let's hit run code, that should be it. Wrong. So we got Zach. But only Zach. Okay. So we asked for every name from customer. Find the names of customers that are not referred by the customer with ID is equal to 2. And we get Zach here. But we're expecting Will, Jane, Bill, and Zach. Okay. Do we have to say? So we're missing out on all the nulls. So it's not equal to 2. What if we say not like? Would that work? Not like 2. Oh, I think that includes nulls. Okay, let's look this up. Where not integer. Okay, that's kind of what I was going for. These all look a bit too complicated. There must be an easier solution. I guess what we could say is we could just try and cater for this edge case by saying where referee ID is not equal to 2, or referee underscore ID is null. That could work. Okay, so that test case got accepted. Let's see if there's any other test cases. Is that the only one? Okay, that's the only test case we can kind of test out here. So let's submit it. and see if that works. And yeah, success. So hopefully this video was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So maybe you had some solution to this which was maybe a bit different. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.